The story of Jesus' birth. A long time ago, in a small town called Nazareth, there was a young woman named Mary. Mary was kind, gentle, and loved God very much. One day, an angel appeared to her. His name was Gabriel, and he had a special message. "Mary," said Gabriel, "God has chosen you to have a son. He will be a very special child, and you will name him Jesus." Mary was surprised but trusted God. She accepted this message with love and faith. The journey to Bethlehem. At that time, Mary was engaged to a man named Joseph. Joseph was a kind and caring man, and he promised to take care of Mary and the baby. Soon, Mary and Joseph needed to travel from Nazareth to a town called Bethlehem. They had to go because the king wanted everyone to be counted. The journey was long and difficult. Mary rode on a donkey, and Joseph walked beside her. When they finally reached Bethlehem, they were very tired. But there was a problem. There was no place to stay. Every inn was full. A humble beginning. Mary and Joseph searched everywhere, but each innkeeper shook his head. Finally, one kind innkeeper said, "I don't have a room, but you can stay in my stable." A stable is a small place where animals like donkeys, cows, and sheep rest. Mary and Joseph accepted the offer and went to the stable. That night, baby Jesus was born. Mary wrapped him in soft cloths and laid him in a manger, a wooden box where animals eat. Though it was simple, Mary and Joseph felt joy and peace. They knew Jesus was a gift from God. The angels and the shepherds. Outside the town, some shepherds were watching over their sheep. Suddenly, an angel appeared to them and said, "Do not be afraid. I'll bring you good news. A Savior, Jesus, is born in Bethlehem." The shepherds were amazed. More angels appeared, filling the sky with light and singing songs of joy. The shepherds decided to go to Bethlehem to see this special baby. When they found Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, the shepherds were filled with wonder. They knew this child was very special. They told everyone they met about the miracle they had seen. The wise men and the star. Far away, 3 wise men saw a bright star in the sky. They knew this star meant a new king was born. The wise men followed the star, which led them all the way to Bethlehem. When they arrived, they found Jesus and gave him special gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. These gifts were for a king, and they showed their love and respect for Jesus. The meaning of Christmas. The story of Jesus' birth is still celebrated every year as Christmas. It is a time to remember love, kindness, and joy. People around the world think of Jesus' birth as a reminder of hope and peace. This simple story of a baby born in a stable has inspired millions and brings warmth to many hearts. Vocabulary to learn. Nazareth. Meaning, the town where Mary and Joseph lived before Jesus was born. Example, Mary and Joseph traveled from Nazareth to Bethlehem. Mary. Meaning, the mother of Jesus. Example, Mary trusted God's message from the angel. Angel. Meaning, a messenger from God. Example, an angel named Gabriel visited Mary. Bethlehem. Meaning, the town where Jesus was born. Example, Mary and Joseph traveled to Bethlehem. Inn. Meaning, a place where travelers stay, like a small hotel. Example, every inn in Bethlehem was full. Stable. Meaning, a small shelter for animals. Example, Mary and Joseph stayed in a stable. Manger, meaning a box where animals eat, where Jesus was laid. Example, Mary placed baby Jesus in a manger. Shepherd, meaning a person who takes care of sheep. Example, the shepherds went to see baby Jesus.